Hi guys, so we're another week on now into the refurb, and just thought we'd come and have a look, see where we're up to, and show you what they've been performing in the upgrade for you. Let's spin it around and let's go and have a look. Okay then, so when we come in, we'll go around to the right. So now they've done some channeling work down here, which I'm assuming is to move some plumbing around for you. They've also been digging in to where the wall used to be, looking like once again I think it's to do with plumbing, and drawing some little pretty pictures on the floor for you as to where things are going to go. And then they've also started channeling out the tile work, which I'm assuming once again is where either cables or plumbing is going to go for your brand new kitchen. Once again, I will remark on how tidy these people are. I don't think I've ever come across a builder where when you walk in, it's as tidy as what this place is. So if we go down here, I believe that's potentially looking like a shower tray. That's going to go into the bathroom. Into the bathroom, they've been doing some channeling again for you, looking like they're creating your extraction fan so that you don't get all steamy. And once again, they've been doing some rechanneling. By the looks of it, I think they're going to move the plumbing from one side to another, but that is me guessing. If we go into door number 1, then the sanding process is really taking shape now. And we're now down to bare brick looking at that, and I think they're looking like they're preparing it ready to put your tile work on there. Once again, everything's covered. Really looking after and caring for people's homes. So great job to the builders. The big update though is if we go out onto the terrace area, then the wall that you'd planned to have done is in the process of being built. So give you a wonderful view of your view from your terrace, which never gets old, I've got to say. Beautiful blue skies, nice and warm. And then your wall, which now separates you from your next door neighbours, means that you can sit up here in privacy and just chill and watch the world go by. So that's update number 3. Hope everything is going well for you guys back at home, and yeah, we'll keep you updated along